Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic res commander tutorial how to explode Xref. So to open Xref you can type Xref, press enter and will be show for the external reference in the rec bar. So you can click on attach drawings and I will use this example drawing. Click open, click OK, and then it will be attached into your drawing. Now to explode this Xref, first you need to bin the Xref object. Right click on the Xref file, click bin, and then click OK. Yeah, after it, you can use the explode tools, type explode, press enter, select the objects, and enter again. It will be automatically explode. Okay, that's it for basic res commander tutorial how to explode Xref.